Stella, you yawning? Yeah, it's super early. Hey guys, it's 6:35 here and we're on our way to market. There's Jason, he helped me to pack up, and the girls, Sophia did a lot of help today. So we got up super early, like I got up 4:30 I think, and we're on our way, got our coffee made, and just ready to set up. I'm glad that we're taking Jason's truck, just because I don't know how I would fit everything in my car. Tell us, Sophia, say hello. Yeah. And we'll see you guys there.
Mommy, I have a good picture here.
The sunrise is so beautiful today.
Really good picture right back here. I can take.
Oh yeah, and then it has a...
Okay.
I still like this.
We are on our way to Fort Walton Beach, if you guys, anyone from there. But now we're passing through Destin, and I want to show you famous Crab Island. It's going to be nice and empty, too early for anyone to be on the water. Crab Island, I really love this road in between Destin and Fort Walton Beach. It's called Okaloosa Island, and just beautiful beaches, beautiful views on both sides, on this side, on the side of the Gulf, and on the side of the bay. Okay, we got our setup. This is going to be our spot, and we're just setting up. Yeah, it's super cute. They block a road over here. Everyone already almost set up, so, but we're working on it. So this is what before, and then we'll... Okay guys, this is what we have as the end results. So I bought those trimmers at Michael's. I don't know, it's kind of windy, but we'll see if we're going to keep them. We'll put our basket with the chickens, cute, right here. Got our chairs on the back, and this one full table going to be with bees, scrunchies, and the chicken family. And then another table going to be with our bees, colorful bees, and all the leggy froggies and octos. So girls are having breakfast, and yeah, that's what we got here. So this is all we have left. It's 20 minutes till the market end, and that's all the chickens sitting. Hey guys, welcome back to SJ Crochet. My name is Galina, and this is my little pumpkins, Sophia and Stella. So we are back to tell you everything about how our farmers market went. How do you think, girls, it went? What do you would say? It was good? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yes.
But a little bit tired.
A little bit tired, yeah, it was a little bit tiring. Farmers market was last Saturday, so we are filming this on Monday, so we have 2 days of little break, and now we're ready to share our experience with this market. So I think market went well. My husband, we all got together and went there, so he helped us pack and set up, so that was amazing. Market was from 8 to 1, as I said, so it was a little bit cooler in the morning, and then it got a little bit hot. Yeah, but in general, it was a really great market. We paid only $20 to set up, and so the thing that we wanted to share with you, yeah, about inventory. So everything that we made, we did not make much, I think. It was not a lot.
Yes, we did.
You think we did? So we had, Sophia will tell you everything that we had. We have
Mini octos.
we had 5 mini octos for $8. We had 5 big octos for
$10. We had 5 bees for $20. 5 leggy froggies for $15. 4 whales for $15. Chickens.
6 chickens for $20.
6 chickens for $20. Baby chicks for $8.
6 baby chicks for $8. Yep. 1 blueberry for $10. We had 4 scrunchies for $5. So in total we brought 41 items. Yeah, we said about big octos. Yeah, so in total we brought 41 items, and we sold.
So in total with all.
So we brought 45 items, 41 items with us, and our best sellers were.
They were leggy froggies, little octos, and bees.
Yeah, we sold 7 mini octos because we brought a yarn and we were making them right there. We brought, so tip for you, bring yarn with you to the next market. If you sell out of anything, you make it right there and then. So we sold out of our bees right away. So bees were our most wanted item. They fly out like that, and we priced them at $20. I think it was fair price, and people really like them and enjoy them. So we sold from 5 mini octos we brought. We made extra 2, and we sold
7 mini octos. For the 5 big octos we brought, we sold 1. And then for the bees, we sold all 5 of them. Leggy froggies, we sold 4. Whales, we sold 2.
Okay, chickens.
We sold
0. That was a real surprise for us. So we brought 6 chickens and we sold 0 of them. Everyone loved them. Everyone, oh, how cute they are, this and that. But no one would buy them. But people were really interested into the little baby chicks, right, Stella?
Yeah. So the baby chicks, we sold 4 of them. And then the
blueberry, we didn't sell a little blueberry we bought, so we brought 1 and we brought it back. And from 4 scrunchies, we sold 2 of that. So what we have left, it's all in this basket.
There's a blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry, didn't sell blueberry. We have 3 octos left right here.
And here's a scrunchie.
2 scrunchies.
And we've got 2 more whales left.
Yeah, and here it goes. We're going to show you what left. Look at this. Look at this cute pile of chickens. Yeah. Everyone totally loved them, but no one wanted to buy them. So I guess they come into the next market with us.
But so the chickies.
Yeah, people like a baby chicks. We sold 4 baby chickens. These guys were best sellers. Little keychain. This is Stella's. I borrowed one from hers, but kids loved it. Adults love it. Everyone loved this. And yeah, recommendations if you're getting ready for your first market. I have a Square app already, and I bought this little thing at Walmart. So it's a mag strip reader. It worked great on the chips, and and any sort of cards. So my recommendation, get you one of this. Another one, we bought this cute bags at Walmart, and we'll put our plushie in these bags with a tissue paper. Everyone loved the bags, and everyone was like, yes, we want a bag, we want a bag. So that was cute. Also, we got this at Michael's, like 50% sale, a little backdrop, kind of like a streamer, as you see it on the video. It was, I think, pretty cool. It was setting us aside, and they were flying on the wind. Sometimes they were in the face, but yeah, but I think it was pretty good. And we brought our notepad so we could write inventory and prices, and that was really handy. And I think, yeah, I think it went well.
Yeah.
Do you girls want to do it again?
Yeah.
So yeah, girls want to do it again, but now we kind of know our best sellers. I wish we would make it turtles.
Oh. Yes.
I wish we would make it turtles, but that didn't happen. Maybe for the next market we'll
I think we made the fins for one of them, and we still have to do the body and the head.
Yeah, we still have left. But in total, back to the numbers. So we brought 41 items, and we sold 25 of them. 2 items we gave as a gift to my friend for her some birthday party. We took it there, and then I gave to our booth neighbor, to a little girl. I gave her 1 item, so that's 2 items out. So we sold 25, and drum roll, how much we made? So we made $287.
Woohoo!
Yes, $287. I think it was good. We went there with a low expectations, and we really, yes, it's our first market, and we're really thankful for everyone who came and stopped by, and we got some new YouTube followers there. Crafty girl, I think, and her friend came and got a leggy froggy, so it was really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We sold all the leggy froggies.
Yes, we sold all of the leggy froggies. What was your favorite part of the market?
Probably mostly everything.
Mostly everything? Well, I think it's a good answer.
When we sold everything, and like we got to do all this stuff, we got to go look at other people's things. We bought a couple of things. Some of our friends were there. Everything was there for me.
And someone got some baby chicks.
Baby chicks, yes.
And get a lot of
So I think, yes, I think we will do another market maybe in October 1. We went, if you're somewhere local, we were in Fort Walton Beach, so I think we're going to do another market in Fort Walton Beach. It was nice. They had live music. It was not expensive, just only $20. So yes, guys, I think this is all our results from our first farmers market. It was fun. We made some money. We burned some energy, and it was good. We're looking forward to another one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is. Oh, we got left right here.
And this.
And this.
So it's.
So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming back. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot for us. We're reading all of your comments, and thank you for subscribing, and we will see you in the next video, right?
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.